Come to the NCERT exercise 2.3. Divide the polynomial px by polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each case. So I will explain one by one. Question number 1, first bit. I am directly do the division. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 make division by x square minus 2. Okay. So first what we will put here? Here it is x square, here it is x cube, so put x here. X into x square, x cube, x into minus 2, minus 2x. It's okay? You just write here minus 2x. Below the x, you will write here. This will cut. So what will remain? Minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 7x minus 3. Now what we will put here? X square here minus 3x square means minus 3. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 plus minus. Okay. What is the remainder? 7x. 7x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So this is the remainder we get. It's okay. Question number 1, second bit. x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divide this by x square minus x plus 1. So now make the division here. What will put here? X square into x square how much? x4. X square into minus x how much? Minus x cube. X square into 1 how much? Plus x square. It's okay. Now what will get here? Minus 3x square here plus x cube. So these are the 5 terms remain. But here this is the largest exponent. So plus x cube. So write down x cube first. This one. After that minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square. Then plus 4x plus 5. It's okay. Now put x square here, x cube. So put x is here, x here. So now x into x square how much? X cube. X into minus x how much? Minus x square. X into 1 how much? Plus x. Minus plus minus. Minus 4x square plus x square means minus 3x square. Plus 4x minus x means plus 3x plus 5. Now what we will substitute here? X square here minus 3x square. So put here minus 3. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x plus 3x. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Okay? This is plus, this is minus, this is plus. It will cut, it will cut. Plus 5 plus 3. 8 is the remainder. It's okay? Question number 1, third bit, same manner. Still I am doing this. x4 minus 5x plus 6 divided by 2 minus x square or x minus x square plus 2. Okay. Simply make the division. Here minus x square into minus x square is x4. Minus x square into 2 is minus 2x square. It's okay. Now from these 3 terms, highest exponent is this one. This is plus 2x square, then minus 5x plus 6. Now since it is 2x square and here it is minus x square, so simply put minus 2. Okay. So minus 2 into minus x square is 2x square. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. It's okay. So what is the remainder? Minus 5x plus 10. It's okay. In question number 2, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. That means check whether it is a factor or not. That means divide the second polynomial by first polynomial. If remainder comes as 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not a factor. It's okay. I am doing one question out of these three. Let's say second one, 3x4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. Divide this by x square plus 3x plus 1. So it's very easy. 3x4 here x square is there, so direct apply here 3x square. 3x square into x square is 3x4. 3x square into 3x is plus 9x cube. 3x square into 1 is 3x square. It's okay. Subtract. Plus 5x cube minus 9x cube is minus 4x cube. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10 x square plus 2x plus 2. What will apply here? X square here minus 4x cube. So minus 4x. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube. Minus 4x into 3x is minus 12x square. Minus 4x into 1 is minus 4x. Minus 10x square plus 12x square is 2x square. Plus 4x plus 2x is 6x. Then plus 2. Here it is x square. So plus 2. 2 into x square is 2x square. 2 into 3x is 6x. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 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 cut. Hence, it is a factor of the second polynomial. It's okay. Question number 3. This is the most important question. One example I have discussed already. Here it is given that 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3, then find the other zeros. This is the polynomial. When it has how many factors? Degree is 4, means it has 4 factors. 2 zeros are given. Find the other zeros. Same manner, simply find the factors from these two, divide these, then split the middle term. Okay? Factorization. So, what are the factors? X minus root 5 by 3. Another factor is x plus root 5 by 3. When you multiply these two, you will get x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square, means x square minus 5 by 3. Or that means this is the factor. You directly divide this with this or simplify again this. It will be 3 as LCM. So it will be 3x square minus 5 or is equal to 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 5. As 1 by 3 is a constant, so 3x square minus 5 is a factor. Clear? So this is the factor. Now you make long division this with this. That means 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, make long division with 3x square minus 5. Okay. So here 3x4 is there, here 3x square is. So that means we will put here x square. X square into 3x square is 3x4. X square into minus 5 is minus 5x square. It's okay? Minus plus. Okay. What will get? 6x cube. Now minus 2x square plus 5x square means plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay. Here 3x square is there, but here 6x cube. that means 2x. Okay, 2x into 3x square is 6x cube. 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x. So what we will get here? This is 3x square plus 10x minus 10x plus 10x cancel, minus 5. 3x square minus 5. So put 1 here. It will be 3x square minus 5. Change the sign. Remainder is 0. So we will get remainder as 0. So what is the quotient here? X square plus 2x plus 1. Factorize it. Either it is x plus 1 whole square or split the middle term, x square plus x plus 1. Take x as common. It will be x plus 1. Take 1 as common. It will be x plus 1. So x plus 1 into x plus 1. So other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. It's okay? So 4 zeros, this is 1 0, this is 1 0, this is another 2 zeros. You just recall it properly because it's a very, very important question. Most of the time in board exam, in CC pattern or in any board exam, this question will come, or like this type of question will come. Okay? Question number 4, divide x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 3x square plus x plus 2. On dividing this by a polynomial gx, we get the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. X minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. Find gx. That means this is the polynomial. When divided by gx, I get quotient as this much and remainder is this much. Okay? That means you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if you want to find the divisor, first subtract the remainder here, then divide by the quotient, you will get as 0 and you will get the answer. Okay? So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Actually dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So how to find the divisor? That means dividend minus remainder is equal to divisor into quotient. So your aim is to find divisor, so divide this quotient here. That means dividend minus remainder by quotient is equal to divisor. Okay? So dividend minus remainder. Dividend minus remainder. Remainder is how much? Minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Now this you divide by x minus 2. Divide this by x minus 2. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, divide this by x minus 2. Simply put x here, x into x square. X square into x cube, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square, minus plus minus 3x square plus 2x square is minus x square plus 3x minus 2. What will put here? Minus x. Minus x into x is minus x square, minus x into minus 2 is plus 2x. 3x minus 2x is x minus 2. So simply put 1 here. It will be x minus 2. So what is the divisor you get here? X square minus x plus 1. This is gx. It's okay? In question number 5 it is given that degree of px is equal to degree of qx. Means dividend exponent is equal to exponent of the quotient. That means divisor. How the divisor? Just look here. Let's say 4x square minus 2x. This dividend. So factor is 2. Let's say divisor is 2. So when you divide this by 2, it will be 2x square minus x. So this will be the quotient. This is the dividend. So that means both degree is 2 or not? Like this, you try on your own. It's okay.